Welcome back guys. Today we're in Templation, still in Siem Reap, Cambodia, and we're going to talk you through the process of how we shoot. So we're going to head over here first and show you our setup. Corin's just adding the final touches.
I'm just trying to make it look as Instagrammable as possible and as delicious as it is. I'm just going to set it out a little bit and then using these flowers that they gave us just make the pool look a little bit prettier.
First things first, what you're going to need is a tripod and a self-timer, and of course your camera. So we shoot with the Canon 1DX Mark II. It's great for images, great for video, shoots 4K, shoots 120 frames per second in HD, and we use this pretty much for all of our shots. We're going to be shooting at f4 with 50mm prime lens 1.4. That will give slight blurriness in the foreground and in the background, so it will just be us in focus. Shutter speed of 1/1000, so that will make it nice and crisp, and the ISO you always want to be as low as possible in daylight, otherwise it just gets blown out or just be really noisy. And very important, if your camera shoots in RAW format, always shoot in RAW. This will give you enough leeway when it comes to editing, and it will make it much easier when editing the highlights and shadows, as it will give you more dynamic range. This is just a self-timer that we bought off Amazon, reasonably priced. If you're buying them branded, they're a lot more expensive, but if you get them off Amazon, they're cheaper and they do a good job. Some of your cameras might have inbuilt timers, or you may even be able to connect them to your phone, in which case you'll be able to see what you're shooting from your phone and control the camera that way. So that is how we shoot our images. We have now moved to Koh Trong Island. So before we get into the editing process, we just want to show you around this beautiful island. Let's go. Just reached the floating village on the island, and I thought it was a good time now to talk about equipment. I know we've shown you all the equipment we use, but work with what you've got. Don't let the equipment stop you. Mobile phones these days have such amazing cameras, so it's no excuse. And when it comes to editing software, there are plenty of free editing softwares that I'll link in the description below, which you can also use. Okay, so let's get straight into it. Go ahead and import your image into Lightroom. First things first, I always crop ready for Instagram. So we want to go to 4:5. Right, that looks good. Over on the left, I normally go through our presets, see which one looks the best, see which one I like. Kind of like cold, so click on cold. Okay, that looks pretty good to me. The only thing I'd want to do is make Corin's face a little brighter. So I will go over here to the adjustment brush, come down here to show selected mask overlay. I always like to keep that on when I'm applying the mask, just so it shows me where the actual mask is. Also down here, if you make sure auto mask is on, it does a good job of keeping the mask within the edges. So that looks good to me. I'll turn the overlay off and then go ahead and lift the shadows slightly. Still pretty dark, so I'm going to lift the exposure a little more. Right, I'm now going to go over to Photoshop, just get rid of these water pumps just to make it look cleaner. Go ahead and grab the lasso tool, and you just want to go around the edges, hold shift and delete. Content aware, that's fine, press OK. So just go ahead now and we'll do that with all of them. Now you want to save that, head back over into Lightroom, and that's it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If there's anything else you want to know, put it in the comment section below. We will get back to you ASAP. Go hit that subscribe button, give us a follow on Instagram at North South Travels, and we look forward to seeing your pictures.